In a world creating a million lines of code every day, how does security keep up? Tough question. Easy answer. AppSec and dev teams working together. But how? To counter solution sprawl, scattered results, and an increasingly fractured dev landscape, your teams need a new generation of application security from Checkmarx. We enable secure software development across organizations, giving your teams the visibility they need with accurate, actionable intelligence to code boldly and securely. We've made the fundamental shift from point product to platform. One-click functionality to correlate all your security scans together without friction. Join us as we make securing the world's code easier with the Checkmarx Application Security Platform, built for the cloud development generation.